Sterling Services. It's now monsoon season and I'm now up in an attic. This is the time of year when we see most of the condensate drain problems, and we see these things back up. And where that usually happens is right in this piping here. And what we can do now is install condensate drain safety switches. They're fairly inexpensive and they wire right into the control circuit of this machine. And what will happen is if you have a drain backup, it will shut the equipment off and stop generating water, and save yourself from a pretty extensive property damage problem.